Hello everyone, welcome back to Jim's Garage Toys. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today I'm just installing a plastic undercover underneath the dash on my GR Corolla. So I had seen where some others had mentioned that some of the standard Corollas, the XSE hatch and stuff, had this piece, and they started looking at it, and it just kind of, I don't think it's a big deal, but it looks unfinished underneath the dash. And if they made the piece for the car, then why was it installed in the first place? So that's kind of what I was asking myself. So I ended up finding one. These were on a national back order, so I suspect that a lot of owners were getting them and trying to pick them up, but I was able to find one. So I'm going to go ahead and install it real quick, and I'll show you what I'm dealing with. So this is the part number, if anybody's interested. I will list it in the description below the video also. And this is the part. It is said to kind of baffle the noise from the fan for the HVAC system underneath the dash. So, and it looks like these two just pop through some spaces, and there's clips right here in the front. So I don't even think you have to screw anything in. It just snaps right in. So let's take a look under the dash. I don't know how clear this is going to be, but you can see these two rectangular slots there. I think that's where those padded pieces go. There's little holes right up under here for the clips to snap right into. And you can kind of see all the things there. You know, this would be pretty easy for somebody to kick if they're in the right front seat. So it's just going to protect all of that under there too. See these wires right here? So protect that from a foot damaging something. I'm sure that's what they were probably thinking at first. So let's go ahead and slip this in. I think it literally took a second. So there you have it. Here's the piece right here now. Covers up and protects all of that. And I was right, the two back pieces just slid into the slots there. And then the three, there's one there, there's one there, and there's one right over there. And it just snapped right up into there. So it's real easy to remove also, but not something you'll see, but it makes me feel better that it's there. So there you have it, guys. Another quick improvement to my GR Corolla. So something small, but you know, all these little things add up to make it what I want it to be. And I like the finer details sometimes. And that's what this is. So anyway, hey, if you guys have questions, comments, if you like what I did, please holler. And as the journey continues with my GR Corolla, we'll see you guys down the road. Thanks a lot.